Hello, my name is Terry Dean Nemmers, and on July 6, 2011, and again on September 7th, 2011, I was maliciously arrested by the thugs from the lawless Pope County Sheriff's Department in lawless Pope County, Minnesota, and I'm now being maliciously prosecuted by the lawless Pope County Attorney's Office. Now, today is October 25th, 2011, and I want to give you an update. I was busy working on processing my film from my July 6, 2011 Malicious Prosecution Education Program in lawless Glenwood, Minnesota. But I just happened to see the latest video from Christopher King. Okay, last week he had called and set up an appointment saying he's going to call Neil the Tamperer Nelson, the lawless Pope County attorney from lawless Pope County, Minnesota. Said he's going to call today at 2 o'clock. Alright? That video just made it up on YouTube just a few minutes ago, so I had to stop and do this little update for you. Okay, so you're going to see my education program later. This is kind of like breaking news. Alright? Neil the Tamperer Nelson is a little bitch. Because Neil the Tamperer Nelson doesn't even have enough guts to get on the phone with Christopher King. Alright? He has to send his secretary to do a man's job, right? The secretary says, Neil has no comment. Oh, what did the secretary really said? What did the secretary really say? The secretary really said, Neil is invoking his right to remain silent because anything he says can and will be used against him in a court of law. And why would he be doing that? Oh, that's right. Because Christopher King was calling about the 2007 home invasion by the lawless Pope County thugs into my home without a warrant. Yeah, that little detail, huh? See, so Timmy, who likes to kiss pigs, yeah, and commit perjury, falsify sworn documents. Isn't that right, Timmy? You said you had a warrant. No warrant, because Neil the Tamperer Nelson's invoking his right to remain silent. That means you're guilty as sin, doesn't it? Timmy, how long are you going to be sheriff? Timmy? Oh, Timmy, you're just as much of a little bitch as Neil Nelson, aren't you? Because you run away from me too, don't you? Oh, isn't that awful? Well, there you go, Timmy. You know, maybe you and Neil can go cry in the corner together. You can go hold hands, huh? Yeah, I think that'd be good. Because now, like I said, we were just down in lawless Pope County, Minnesota, doing our malicious prosecution education program, informing people about the little scandals that Neil's involved with, like covering up Helen Staff Schultz assaulted me at Waterama. Yeah, that one. How Neil is withholding evidence, and how I have court documents, a court order, saying that he was withholding evidence. Oh, isn't that awful, Neil? And the blast from the past about how the county commissioner was criminally defaming me. Yeah. And the scandal about how former Pope County Sheriff Tommy Larson, the other perjurer, was criminally defaming me. All sorts of scandals. Now this one, Neil. Timmy! Another scandal! And you just christened that new law enforcement center, didn't you? Oh, excuse me, law enforcement center. So, Timmy, I don't think you're going to be sheriff for very long. Probably about as long as Neil's going to be county attorney, right? Okay, thanks for your time. Okay, here's the new KingCast film. You can also find it on my channel page. If we can get there. Computer's slow today. Here you go. Here's Christopher King's new video. Terry Dean Nemmers, Neil Nelson, Pope County Missing Search Warrant Part 2. Alrighty, thank you for your time.
As they go, because you all been caught in your little lies.
Yeah, there's the den of all iniquity up
Yeah,
there.
the evil building, the
Yep.
God-hating, un-American son of a bitch building.